Hey everybody, this is Ryan. This is a quick overview of this pitch net, which primarily is used for football, but I think it actually is perfect for like baseball if you want to use baseball or soccer or anything, but primarily it would be used for something like football. Let me give you some cool stats on this. Assembly time takes about, I don't know, less than 10 minutes. The first time it's put together, it can all go in this travel case. Once it's installed, it also has these metal clips that will push in the ground and kind of prevent it from tipping over. It's pretty lightweight. I'd say maybe 5 pounds. Maybe it's not that heavy. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares that are roughly, I'd say about 14 to 15 inches. Didn't measure those exactly. So when you're throwing, you have some targets to work with. This is made out of it's almost like a nylon type material that is weather resistant. This is actually left outside in this example and holds up pretty nice. Obviously, it doesn't need to be left outside, but from a weather tolerant device, it's definitely made with something that can be left outside. If you have a whole bunch of footballs to throw with, they're caught and they're kind of held in here. And so when throwing at it, you can see that's what it would look like. It's going to hold down the side. So if you had just like say a bag of footballs, you could just keep throwing them and you don't have to worry about it not staying in place just from a target tracking standpoint. Height of this is probably in the range of about 4 feet, maybe I'd say about 4 feet or so, maybe a little bit higher off the ground. Um, Very well constructed. The bottom of this looks like it's like a painted aluminum. This looks like to be like fiberglass metal tips. Then you have your ropes here. So even if you're like throwing pretty hard, it's gonna hold up. It's not gonna fall over like in this example. It's pretty stout. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me. Said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Give us some honest feedback. Hopefully, all that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.